The first step to creating your Amazon seller account is head on over to sell.amazon.com. But before you click the sign up button here, there's actually two types of seller plans that you can sign up with. There's a free individual plan that doesn't have any monthly fees. However, you do have to pay a 99-cent fee each time you sell an item. And Amazon kind of hides this option way down at the bottom of the page here where it says sign up to become an individual seller. Amazon also has a professional plan that costs $39.99 per month, and you get access to a bunch of additional selling features as you can see here. So if you're going to end up selling more than 40 items each month, then the professional plan is the way to go. But don't worry, regardless of which plan you choose, if you change your mind, you can switch plans later. I suggest signing up for the professional plan, so click the sign up button here. And to make life a lot easier on you, do not sign up using your Amazon account that you buy stuff with. Keep your personal and business accounts separate. So click down here, create your Amazon account, and use a different email address. Now, provide some information about your business. In the first field, choose your business location. For most of us, we're in the US. If you don't live in the US, that's okay. Unless you live in one of the very few banned countries, you can still sell on Amazon in the US marketplace. You'll just need to register a DBA or an LLC in the US. You can create a US-based LLC pretty easily using services like LegalZoom for around $250. And don't worry if you don't live in the US, about 1/3 of my students are from overseas and they have no problem selling on Amazon. In the next field, choose your business type. For most of us, if you have a DBA or LLC, then choose privately owned. Otherwise, choose none, I'm an individual. And take note, this individual option has nothing to do with the individual seller plan. You don't have to choose the individual plan if you choose the individual option here. Now, enter the name of your business. This must be the same name that you registered your business as. Okay, on the next step, you'll need to enter your company registration number. If you've registered a business, you can typically find this number on your business license. If you don't have one, then you can apply online for a free EIN on the IRS website, and you'll usually get this number the same day. If you don't live in the US, you'll have to apply by telephone. And if you don't have a registered business, just leave this field blank. Now, enter your business address here. And enter your personal information here, such as your name, country of citizenship, and date of birth. And in order for Amazon to verify your identity, you'll have to provide your driver's license or passport from this drop-down menu here. Then on this next section, for most of us, we are the owner of the business, so checkmark this box here. Then checkmark this box here to confirm that everything you've entered is correct. Click on Next. Now on this step, you need to enter your bank account details. If you've registered a business, you should set up a separate business bank account and enter those details here. Amazon needs your banking details in order to send you money when you start selling and start making sales. You'll also need to provide a credit card. And here's where a lot of people get their account blocked or suspended. Do not enter a debit card here. It must be a credit card or a debit card that has the Visa or MasterCard logo on it. If it's purely a debit card, you cannot use it. Okay, and now enter a store name. This is the name of your Amazon store. You can call it whatever you want. If it's already taken, you'll get an error message. Most people just name their Amazon store the same name as their registered business, but it doesn't have to be. If you have a brand or registered a trademark that you want to use, you can enter that brand here instead. Now, you need to specify if you have any UPC barcodes for your products. UPC stands for Universal Product Code, and these are the barcodes that get scanned every time you buy something at a store at the checkout counter. If you're selling private label products like I do, then you'll have to buy your own barcodes. And a warning, only buy your barcodes directly from the GS1 website at gs1us.org. Otherwise, you risk having your listings shut down. They only cost $30 each. However, if you're selling arbitrage or wholesale products, then those items will already have UPC barcodes on them, so you won't need to buy any. In either case, choose yes. Next, if you have any diversity certifications, you may be able to take advantage of some benefits that Amazon provides. Otherwise, choose no. And if you're selling private label products, then choose yes here. You do own the brand. If you're not sure, then choose some of them. Click Next. And now in the last step, you need to upload some clear color photos of your passport or driver's license. You'll also need to upload a utility bill or bank statement for proof of address so Amazon can verify your information. And finally, Amazon will also require you to verify your identity by either uploading a photo of yourself or doing a video conference call with one of their agents. The quickest way is to upload a photo. And that's it. Signing up only takes a few minutes, and once your account is verified, you can start selling on Amazon. Now, to make sure that you don't miss any of the steps necessary to properly start your Amazon business and successfully sell your first product, this video right over here is a completely free, step-by-step, 6.5-hour Amazon course that goes over every step from beginning to end that you don't want to miss.